Our new Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack is unique in its design. Its sides are bent down, allowing it to hold different types of luggage, including oversized items, and increasing the strength of the structure. It is made of 3mm steel, has stiffening ribs for added strength, and is coated with a polymer finish. It features numerous attachment points for conveniently securing your luggage. With the new Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack, you can conveniently transport our branded Seaway bag, our aluminum Seaway box, our Seaway adjustable case bag, any of your oversized luggage. I want to demonstrate the types of luggage you can carry on the Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack. An ordinary travel bag fits comfortably and securely. A standard suitcase for air travel fits perfectly in this luggage rack. A set of travel items and equipment. Our bestseller, the Seaway branded luggage bag, is specially designed for use with our luggage racks. It is dust and moisture protected and conveniently attaches to the trunk. A smaller branded bag designed to attach to both a trunk and a large bag as a second bag. It attaches very comfortably and securely. Our proprietary aluminum Seaway box can also be attached to the Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack, which has dampers and mounting holes for the box. You can attach the aluminum box in either direction for convenience. Another new product is the Seaway adjustable case bag. The Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack can be equipped with lighting equipment at your request, known as the Plus Kit. It includes turn signals, a brake light, a license plate light, and a convenient connector and cables to connect the lighting equipment to your motorcycle. The Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack mounts on our proprietary Seaway hitch with a quick attach unit. Now I will show you how quickly you can detach the luggage rack from the motorcycle. Once removed, nothing interferes with the bike's appearance because the Seaway hitch is hidden behind the rear wheel mudguard. The luggage rack can be reattached just as quickly and conveniently. The Seaway Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack installed on the Seaway Hitch 2.0 is a durable and reliable design.